Introducing Cloud Tech Services Incorporated, or CTS. Dedicated to world-class hybrid cloud services and insightful data analytics, IT cost optimization, CTS uniquely stands out with its mission to uplift communities while maximizing service and ROI. Our offshore and hybrid operations centers bring you the best of both worlds: premium functionality and optimized costs. Tailor-made solutions? We've got you. Experience our offshore global and hybrid solutions designed to maximize your ROI. Enhanced efficiency, focused IT strategy, and a suite of cloud services, from infrastructure monitoring to cloud transformation. Why choose CTS? They provide hybrid cloud managed services such as compute, storage, cloud cyber recovery, unified communications, and much more. Cloud Tech Services is fostering development while maintaining and updating the most important systems and services in the world. CTS. Custom solutions, global reach, local impact.